What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tori and Maya, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing. As you can tell, I've recently made a bunch of purchases that I'm really excited about and I want to share with you guys. So I am planning to redecorate and reorganize the apartment, especially my office area. So I bought a bunch of things that are going to help me stay on top of my work and things like that, and that are also really cute. So I think you'll definitely like some of the stuff. There's also things that I want to get, like a little couch and stuff like that, which is like a little bit bigger. So I just want to start with this stuff first. It's really focused on like my desk area and just getting the feng shui right that will go with the rest of the room as well. So yeah, I am going to be linking everything that you see here today down in the description below. So if you're interested in anything, you'll know exactly where to find it. So without further ado, if you're excited to figure out what is in these boxes like I am, because I kind of forgot, then keep watching. But before we get started, this video is brought to you by Manscaped. Manscaped is a global leader in grooming tools and hygiene solutions. Forget the ties, the coffee cups, the garage gadgets. Dad has enough of those. It's time for something different, and Manscaped is a one-stop shop for everything he wants and needs. With Father's Day fast approaching, now is the perfect time to give the gift of grooming with the latest and greatest products by Manscaped. Help him take his dad bod to the next level with the Lawnmower 4.0. The super sleek 4th generation Lawnmower 4.0 is the perfect beard and body hair trimmer for the modern man. This trimmer features cutting-edge technology for dad to geek out about, including super close ceramic blades and skin-safe technology to help reduce nicks and cuts on your skin. Are dad's eyes not quite what they used to be? No problem. The Lawnmower 4.0 comes with a built-in 400K LED spotlight to help brighten up even the darkest of places for a smooth shave. This upgraded lawnmower trimmer now includes a multi-function on and off switch that can engage a new travel lock feature, so you don't ever have to worry about it buzzing in your suitcase or draining your battery. The Lawnmower 4.0 trimmer has these ceramic blades with skin-safe technology. They help reduce nicks and cuts and can be easily replaced so you can groom with confidence. And I also love how you can charge your lawnmower with the new wireless charging system. The wireless charging system uses electromagnetic induction to charge a premium lithium-ion battery. And you can get up to 90 minutes of use on full charge. But wait, there's more. Manscaped just released their new Boxers 2.0, which is, dare I say it, the softest, most comfortable boxers you will ever try. I wish I could have filmed my boyfriend's reaction because he was immediately in love. With a perfect blend of fashion and function, these new boxer briefs are a perfect addition to a much needed upgrade. With 6 different color combinations, Dad can keep it classy or show off his fun side with the new boxer briefs by Manscaped. Whether he's mowing the lawn, taking out the trash, or golfing in the sun, these moisture-wickening, anti-chafing boxers breathe without breaking a sweat. These boxers are designed using premium, super soft fabrics that are anti-chafing, cooling, and tagless, making them possibly the most comfortable boxers he'll ever wear. The Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0 and the Boxers 2.0 are the perfect gift combination for any dad, husband, boyfriend, brother, or soon-to-be daddy. Make this Father's Day a breeze with Manscaped. Go to manscaped.com today and save 20% off plus free shipping whenever you use code TREX. That's 20% off plus free shipping whenever you use code TREX at checkout. Manscaped always uses the right tools for the job. Yay, let's get to unboxing. Okay, so where to start? Amazon or Ross and Five Below? Comment down below, which one should I start with? Alright, I'm gonna go with Amazon. Here we go. Let's start with this little one. So all this stuff they're like adult purchases. So they're, you know, like organizers, like decor and stuff like that. I even got a spice rack. So yeah, we're on that vibe. So this is my drawer organizer set. And like I said, everything that I bought is going to be linked down in the description below. But this is for my desk here. I have like 2 drawers down there, and I'm going to put these in there to help organize the stuff better, like my pins and stuff like that. Let's see what else we got. Really excited. Honestly, I don't remember what this stuff is that I ordered on Amazon because it's been a little bit. So let's find out. Oh, this is a spice rack that I was talking about. Like I said, these are adult purchases. Who knew I'd be excited about a spice rack? So let's see, how do I open this? This is going to be fun to put together because right now we just have them thrown up in the cabinet. Right, this is going to be very helpful. It swivels too, so that's cool. And I think it's already assembled. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I have to do anything, so that's pretty cool. And it turns. How cool is that? So kind of basic, but I love it. I mean, it's gonna make the cabinet and stuff organized too. All right, so now for this big baby right here. I'm really excited about this one. I do remember one of the things that's in here. I don't remember the other, but I know I'm at least excited about one of these things. Okay, so we have a box inside of the box. Something fell out though. Yay, I got my wireless keyboard. I'm planning to get a stand for my laptop. That way it's like raised a little bit and I can work on it, but I'm gonna need the keyboard down lower, or detached from it, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So that's why I got the wireless keyboard. Really excited about it. I'll let you guys know how it works. Oh, wait, hold on. Is it rose gold? I can't remember if I got this basic silver one or... Wait. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, okay, don't need that. Oh, it's so cute and lightweight. It's very, very lightweight. Very small. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's gonna match everything. So cute. It's just gonna look really cute on my desk too. Oh, I'm so excited. And the crazy thing about this little keyboard is that it is battery operated. So it doesn't come with a cord or anything. And let me see what kind of batteries it runs on. It looks like just regular AA batteries. So we'll see how long the charge on this lasts. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. It was pretty cheap. Like I said, I'm going to link everything in the description below. I'm pretty sure I didn't spend more than like $10, $20 on any of this stuff. So everything is below $20. Okay, so on to the next. Let's see. I don't remember what this is. I can't believe I don't remember. Honestly. Oh, I remember now. Awesome. No. Oh my gosh, I actually have to put them all together. I thought the box was so big because they were going to be assembled already, but I guess not. So this is going to be an adventure to put all these together. I got shoe boxes to try and organize the closet better because I just have a ton of shoes. Like I have a bunch of heels and then I have a bunch of like tennis shoes too. So I was getting these boxes in an attempt to make them more organized, and I've seen a lot of people have like the container boxes for their shoes, and I thought that's what this was. But yeah, it just looks very complicated. It comes with these squares that I'm sure you have to fold somehow. And then it comes with these plastic things to go on there somehow. I don't know. I don't even know where the instructions are in this box. I'm honestly not down to look for them right now. This will probably be the last thing that I do too though, because I'm really focused on just my desk and the office area. But when I do assemble these, I'll let you know how that goes. Let's keep it going with Ross and then end it with Five Below. Oh my god, this bag is so big. Okay, so I got this cute organizer. It also swivels and turns, so that's gonna be cute. Just some more storage space for the things on my desk. I'll probably use this for like my markers, my pens, my pencils and stuff like that. And then the other organizer that I got for inside the desk, these little boxes, I'll definitely use for like thumbtacks and paper clips. Maybe even have like some bobby pins in here and just like other little cute things that'll go on my desk, maybe some snacks. And this was only $6.99. And I got this cute little round vanity mirror. Super cute. I love the color of it, and then just like the texture. It's really soft. Limited edition soft touch finish is what it says. This is by Danielle Creations, and this was $12. It looks so cute with the mirror next to it, you know? I actually also got a hair set. I thought this hair set was really cute because it matches the theme that I'm going for my desk. And I was like, how cute is it? This is probably also gonna be like my vanity area, maybe, since I have my ring light here and I have this cute little vanity mirror. So if I wanna like touch up my makeup or do my hair, whatever, right here, I have all the tools in my desk to do so. And it like I said, it matches, it looks really cute together. So we got that. And then last but not least from Ross, I got an egg container. I know some of you guys might hate the idea. I love it. I think it's cute. I think the eggs are gonna look really cute in there too. And plus this was only like $3, so I was like, let me get it. I've been wanting one, let me try it. So I'm excited. We actually just got groceries too, so I'm definitely gonna put the eggs in here. And if you guys wanna see me put all of this stuff to use, check out the next video that I have coming out. It's gonna be organizing everything and actually redecorating and putting everything up and to use. So if you're excited about that, definitely be on the lookout for that and hit that notification button so you don't miss that video. Oh, I almost forgot. That wasn't the last thing. So last but not least is this. Look how cute she is. She was $6. She's gonna be so cute sitting here with me at my desk. I just love her. All the vibes, all the Zen vibes. So super cute. She's adorable. I saw her and I was like, oh my god, yes. I want her. All right, so now moving on to Five Below. Let's see, hopefully I don't run out of room on my desk here, but we did get quite a bit of stuff. Which one shall we start with? So we're gonna start with this one. The first thing we have is some art wall decor. And I think this is gonna be tied in with the other wall decor that we have because it is a little bit rustic, like it has some wood pieces in it, and I don't know, I want to tie everything together, so I did kind of get the same colors and like the same textures, because Adrian's side of his desk has like a lot of blue and green, and mine is going to be pink and green. So I thought this went well. Plus we have this really cute tree of life wooden wall piece as well. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so yeah, so we have things like this already, and we're just gonna try and tie everything together. So then I also got this. I think this is super cute. So my desk is black, and we have like a black dresser in here. A lot of the things in here, like furniture wise, are black. So I thought it would be cute, and I also thought the board kind of ties into like the beige of the wood and stuff like that. So yeah. So So I got this. I think it'd be really cute to have like our little pictures and stuff on it, or little memories. And then that kind of goes for the same thing with this cork board. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna put on it yet, but I thought it was cute. We'll try it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it a whole bunch because does look a little bit bulky, and I'm not sure if it is as sturdy as it looks. So we'll see. We'll see about the pegboard. But so far, I hope you see the theme. We're going for like pink, green, and then like black, but it's gonna be a real like earthy vibe. So we have this cute weekly planner. This was $3.25. It has like cute little succulents and cactuses on it. This was $5, $5.55. Did y'all know Five Below is going up to $5.55 now? Isn't that weird? So this was $5.55 and this was $5. So all these are $5. This one was $3. And then I also got this. I love writing like my to-do lists and stuff down, and at the top it says make today a good day. I thought that was super cute. And it's green. Yeah. I don't know, I just think it's really cute. This one was green. And then I have this cute little pink notebook clipboard frame thing. I don't know, I just thought it was cute too. Like I could write little messages or like motivational, inspirational quotes or something like that. So I thought that was cute, and it's like the color of the theme. Almost done. We have one more bag of goodies, and then we can start organizing everything, which is the fun part, right? I got this cute little purple headband. This is just like for me whenever I'm doing my makeup and stuff and I want to get my hair out of the way. It's super soft. This was $3.25, again at Five Below. But for my desk, I did get this tape dispenser, and then I got the same style in a stapler. They're both white and gray marble. I thought that would be cute with the pink and green that we got going on over here. I got a little makeup box just because it gave me so much nostalgia of being in one of these plastic ones that has like the containers and everything. But yeah, I don't know, I just wanted it. And plus it was at Five Below, so super cute. And it says anything but basic. That's also another like bathroom thing. But for the last couple of things for the desk, I did get the stapler remover, which is pink. Honestly, I don't even know if people use those anymore because no one like uses paper anymore, but I just thought they were cute. So, and then I got these cute thumbtacks that are gonna really tie everything together, and I think look cute in this bin. So yeah, so I'm really excited. Like I said, if you're interested in where I got any of this stuff, it's all going to be linked in the description down below, so go check that out. And yeah, everything was under like $15 or $20, so definitely shop on a bargain. You can still be cute, you can still tie everything together, find little pieces that make your space you and make you feel comfortable or inspired or whatever you're going for. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back on the next one, redecorating and reorganizing everything. See you guys next time.